Okay, last problem here. We're going to look at solving an equation with what looks to be a period change in horizontal shift. This shouldn't be much different than what we've dealt with before, because we're just going to use U substitution. We want to state the period for this function. The period in this case is pi. So we're actually looking for the solutions from 0 to pi for this equation. And so again, we're going to substitute. We're going to set u equal to 2x plus pi over 3. If we do that, okay, then we can just say that this is the cosine of u equals 1/2. Or then u equals, and again, where does cosine equal 1/2? It's where u equals pi over 3 plus some 2 pi k, or when u equals 5 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k. I'm going to make myself a little bit more room here. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now, once we've solved for u, we're just going to substitute back in our x's. So we get 2x plus pi over 3 equals pi over 3 plus 2 pi k. Remember, we're solving for x. So, I could subtract a pi over 3 from both sides. And when I do that, in this case, I get a 2x equals 2 pi k. Multiply both sides by 1/2 or divide by 2, I end up with x equals pi k as a general solution. Okay, let's go ahead and solve this one for a general solution, although we weren't asked to find that. We'll collect all our answers at the end. We get 2x plus pi over 3 equals 5 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k. And again, I'm going to subtract a pi over 3 from both sides. Alright, that leaves me with 2x equals 4 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k. Then if I multiply both sides by 1/2 or divide by 2, you get 4 pi over 6 plus pi k. Or if we reduce that, 2 pi over 3 plus pi k. Now, once we have our general solutions, which we weren't asked to find in this case, we're actually asked to find the solutions between 0 and pi, we can state those now as x equals, if I go to my first solution set here, I need to start with 0, since it's just multiples of pi, 0, and I don't need to include pi, because if pi is not included in this interval according to our notation here. On the other solution set, we're going to start off with 2 pi over 3. Then if I add pi to it, and again, I've got to get a common denominator, 3 pi over 3, I end up with 5 pi over 3, which is outside of pi, because pi would be 3 pi's over 3. So if I add pi to it, that's going to take me out of that solution set, so those would be my only two solutions. That's it.